Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching today. We have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. You guys know I canceled the Ultimate. We were done with that box. So I'm pretty excited to show you what I got in my Ipsy Plus. You guys, this is a huge box. This is actually the Ipsy Ultimate box, but I have add-ons, so I opened it up and I was like, whoa, there's my add-ons right there. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to show you what I got in the Ipsy Plus my add-ons. So if you guys love unboxings, then give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, you guys, who is ready to see what I got? Okay, so we have some add-ons and it's a box within a box. Haha, so funny. Okay. So number one, I had to get this again. This is the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. I have been using the crap out of this and it's like almost gone. So I was like, oh my God, they have it. I'm going to get another one. So I had to get another one. I had to do it to them. I got another one of these. This one's so good, you guys. So if you guys pick this up as an add-on, you're not going to be sorry. This is a very good cleanser. I love it. So duh, I had to get another one, obviously. Next thing that I got is actually the CEO Sunday Riley Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. I know there's lots of like about Sunday Riley and all that jazz that happened, all the drama with paying their staff to do fake reviews, you know, all that. Look it up. I'm not going to talk about it. Their products are actually really good, so whatever, but I wanted to try this, so I decided it was time to get it, and it smells straight up like oranges, so I'm pretty freaking stoked for this. Yeah, so I got this as an add-on. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Excited. Place that there. And then this one I was like meh when I was looking at it in the spoilers. Like I was like not about it, wasn't even like impressed. What did I do? I freaking got it. So this is the 8L Lo-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer Morphe little palette. This is a highlight and contour palette. Whew. So I don't know, I just wanted to try it because I don't know, I've been into like contour palettes lately and like trying different bronzers instead of like the stuff that I use like every single day. And I thought, you know what, let's just see how Morphe's are. So that's what I did. And we went ahead and got it. So here it is. Let's open it up and take a little look. Okay, so this isn't that bad. This tone here, definitely cannot use. It's way, way, way too warm tone, but this one right here, definitely gonna be my shade. And then if I have to use this one, I'll mix it with that. I like this. This is kind of yellow, like a yellow highlight. I really do like that. And this is pretty too. These two I won't be able to use, but I can use it on the eye or for any other like added anything. Or I can take one of these shades here, mix it for like a oh, what is it called? I have a L'Oreal baked bronzer where it's like illuminating, and you can always take these and mix them with that. So I'm actually really excited to try this palette out, and I'll let you guys know, you know, if I like that. I am going to start in the new year the monthly favorites and not favorites. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but I'm going to start doing monthly videos where I tell you guys what I liked and didn't like from the whole month of trying out products. Okay, so since we're done with the add-ons, we can actually get into what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I wasn't 100% into it, but you know, whatever. It was $25, definitely worth it. So let's go ahead and see what we got in here. Love this orange, by the way. Here's our little booklet for the prices and stuff. First thing on top, the biggest item is the Press and Set Bronzer Brush from Complex Culture. This is actually a really, really nice box. Just saying. Let's see. I want to see what this brush looks like. I liked it online. You guys said it was cheap looking, but it looks really pretty to me. Okay, here we go. This is actually I really like this. Ooh, and it's soft. Oh, it's very soft. I really like this brush. Wow, it feels really, really nice. So, yeah, I'm gonna use this definitely for bronzer. Oh, there goes my voice. Sorry, I'm like really sick again. Of course, I had to like talk myself up to actually like put makeup on and look nice today, but you know, whatever. Been sick for like 2 months, you know. This has a value of $35. Would I actually pay $35 for this brush? No, but I really do like it. I think it's a nice brush. I like the gray, and I like how it's gray here with the white tip. I don't know, gray is like my favorite color, but not like my favorite color, like purple and pink are my favorite color, but like when it comes to anything else, I love gray. I don't know, but love this brush. Cannot wait to use it. So excited about that. The next item was actually my choice item. This is the Tarte Stay Spray. This has a value of $25. Tarte's a really good brand, and I really wanted to try their Stay Spray. So hopefully it's really, really good. The Double Duty Beauty, because it's like in the line of like the Shape Tape and stuff. So I'm pretty excited about that, and plus this is actually like really cute packaging. Like, smells really good. So I'm gonna play with this, see how I like it. I am pretty excited about it, and it smells smells good. It doesn't taste good. Okay, anyways, let's move on. This next item is from I don't know how to say it. That's what this is. This is the this is the Super Oil, and I can see it's not even full. Like, you hear all the space? I don't know, I was like showing the camera and I can see in my lights that this isn't even all the way full. About right here. That's where it goes up to, is right here. No, right here, yeah. Right here, that's how much oil you're getting. There's 30 milliliters in here, so I don't know if, yeah, because you turn it upside down, it's about right there. I don't know if it's actually like full, if this is 30 milliliters, but I mean, I don't know. How much is this? $68. You guys let me know if yours is all the way full or not. I don't know if that's like what it's supposed to be or what. Oh, yep, see, I was right. It smells kind of weird, but it's not full. It's like halfway full. I don't even know if I can show you. And you probably can't see in there, but I don't know. Yeah, it's not all the way full, but it says 30 milliliters of product, so that could be 30 milliliters of product. I don't know. It just seems kind of weird that it's not all the way full. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about that. And let's move on. The next item in here is actually two things. There's some chapstick from the brand Noya. Or I don't know how to say it, but I've had stuff from them before. I had a lipstick and I really, really liked it. So this is organic vanilla lip balm and organic peppermint lip balm. Usually I would be like, chapstick? Why? But I actually really need some more chapstick, so I'm not mad about it. A set of two is $7.98. That makes sense. So if these were like $20 chapsticks, I would have laughed so hard. But yeah, I'm okay with having chapstick because it's that time of the year. So at least it goes along with December theme, you know, chapped lips, crustiness, whatever. And the other item besides the bag that we got this month, this is a Z palette. You can build your own, and I think it comes with its own shades. And let's just take a look at what it looks like inside. I got rid of literally everything that I own that I could actually put into a Z palette. So this is kind of like, you know, wish I had this a long time ago. This has a value of $60. That is actually incredibly insane because you can get one of these Z palettes and fill up your own, like build your own palette of like 24 shades, 48 shades at ColourPop and pay like less than $60, but that's just me. Oh, this was not what I was expecting. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Okay, so you have like this weird like mesh, not mesh, I don't know what it's called, but it's like, yeah. And then you have 4 shades in here. This is like on here, or you can like take it off. Oh, okay. Yeah, so you can take this little guy off, and then you have 4 little shades in here. I think this is, I don't like this. You guys might like it. I personally don't. But yeah, I think I'm probably just going to give this away. So I'm not going to touch any of these shades. I think I'm going to give it away. I'm probably going to hold on to it for a giveaway if anyone wants it. If you guys are even interested in this for a giveaway, I don't know. Just let me know down below if this is something you'd be interested in for me to give away. I can't even freaking put this piece back in. Crap. Okay, so yeah, let me know down below if you guys want me to add this to a future giveaway, if you guys are even interested in this, but I don't really care for this. So I'm gonna set it to the side for a future giveaway. And then the last thing in here is the glam bag for the medium box. This is what it is. Futuristically silver. Doesn't scream Christmas, of course. Silver tinsel trees is what I think of when I look at this bag. And then you got the blue. Yeah, I don't really use these bags, so I don't know what to do with this, but I have like a million bags, honestly, but whatever. Anyways, yeah, this is everything that came in the plus and my add-ons. So, yeah, let me know down below if you want me to add that to a future giveaway. And let me know how you guys are feeling about Ipsy. Do you guys like what you got this month from them? Let me know down below and all of that jazz. So that's it for today's video. If you loved it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!